Good day everyone, I am Dr. Yang. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in nutrition, food combinations and their impact on our health. Specifically, we'll focus on why certain foods should not be mixed with lemon, despite its numerous health benefits. Lemon is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and digestive enzymes. However, science shows that combining it with certain foods can lead to digestive discomfort, reduced nutrient absorption, or even harmful interactions. The first food to avoid mixing with lemon, milk and dairy products. Let's start with milk and dairy. Many people enjoy a refreshing glass of lemon water in the morning, but adding lemon to milk or consuming them together can cause problems. The reason lies in chemistry. Lemon juice is highly acidic, with a pH of around 2, while milk is slightly acidic to neutral, pH 6.7. When lemon juice is mixed with milk, the sudden drop in pH causes the milk proteins, casein, to coagulate, leading to curdling. This curdling effect isn't just a visual change, it can also affect digestion. Some individuals may experience bloating, gas, or even mild nausea because the stomach has to work harder to break down the solidified proteins. Additionally, Ayurveda and traditional medicine have long warned against this combination, claiming it disrupts digestion, agni, and can lead to toxin buildup, AMA. A study published in the Journal of Dairy Science confirms that acidic environments alter milk's protein structure, which may interfere with digestion in sensitive individuals. While some cultures use lemon to make paneer, a form of cheese, the process involves straining the curdled milk, making it more digestible. However, drinking lemon milk mixtures directly is not advisable for most people. The second food to avoid mixing with lemon, high-starch foods. Next, let's discuss starchy foods like white rice, potatoes, and bread. At first glance, squeezing lemon on rice or potatoes might seem harmless, even tasty. However, the interaction between lemon's citric acid and starch can affect digestion. Our bodies rely on an enzyme called salivary amylase to begin breaking down starches in the mouth. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that highly acidic environments can inhibit amylase activity, slowing down starch digestion. This means that consuming lemon with a heavy starch-based meal might lead to bloating, indigestion, or fermentation in the gut, which can cause discomfort. Furthermore, excessive acid with starchy foods may trigger acid reflux in people with sensitive stomachs. A study in Gut, a leading gastroenterology journal, found that acidic foods can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, increasing the risk of heartburn. While a small squeeze of lemon on food is generally safe, large amounts combined with heavy starches should be avoided, especially by those with digestive issues. The third food, or rather, substance, to avoid mixing with lemon, certain medications. Now, this one is critical, mixing lemon with certain medications. Many people take pills with juice for convenience, but lemon's acidity can interfere with drug absorption and effectiveness. For example, antacids containing aluminum hydroxide, like some acid reflux medications, can react with lemon juice. A study in clinical pharmacology and therapeutics found that citric acid increases aluminum absorption, which, in extreme cases, may lead to toxicity. Similarly, antibiotics like tetracycline and doxycycline become less effective in acidic environments, as confirmed by research in antimicrobial agents and chemotherapy. Lemon juice can also interact with blood pressure medications, such as beta blockers, by either enhancing or inhibiting their effects. The Journal of Food and Drug Analysis warns that grapefruit, a citrus fruit like lemon, is known for drug interactions, and while lemon's effects are milder, caution is still advised. If you're on medication, always consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of lemon or citrus juices. Water remains the safest choice for taking pills. Bonus considerations: iron-rich foods and spicy dishes. While the three combinations above are the most significant, two more deserve mention. First, iron-rich foods like spinach. Vitamin C in lemon enhances non-heme iron absorption, which is beneficial for anemia patients, but problematic for those with hemochromatosis, iron overload disorder. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that while vitamin C boosts iron absorption by up to 300%, those with iron metabolism disorders should monitor intake. Second, spicy foods. Lemon with chili or hot sauces may taste great, but for people with GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, this combo can be a trigger. The World Journal of Gastroenterology notes that acidic and spicy foods together can exacerbate heartburn and acid reflux symptoms. Conclusion: balance and moderation are key. To sum up, while lemon is a nutritional superstar, science shows it shouldn't be mixed carelessly with milk, starchy meals, or certain medications. These combinations can lead to digestive distress, impaired nutrient absorption, or even harmful interactions. But this doesn't mean you should fear lemon. It's incredibly beneficial when paired wisely. For example, lemon with ginger supports digestion, and lemon in green tea enhances antioxidant absorption. The key is mindfulness. Listen to your body, consult healthcare providers when needed, and enjoy lemon in ways that maximize its benefits without unintended side effects. Thank you, and I'd be happy to answer any questions in the comments. Please subscribe for more healthy tips.